All right, guys, we're out here again with the Competitor Metal HD, and this is your typical 17 round mag that is included with it. But for target practice today, we have this ProMag, I don't know, 40 round magazine. We're going to check to see if it fits and see how much fun we have with this one. I think it'll work. This was out of the I think my full-sized regular, but we're just gonna see if I can even shoot with this just for some fun. I have no idea how many rounds that was, but it sure was a lot of fun, guys. This is the ProMag for the Smith & Wesson. I think it fits the compact, the full size, and it's confirmed. Works with the Competitor HD. Whew, look at that smoke coming off of that bad boy. Can y'all see that?